कहीं नहीं पहुंचे, नहीं पहुंचे, किसी के पास नहीं गए, नहीं गए, कुछ आने वाला था आपके पास, वो नहीं आया, आने वाला था, आते आते निकल गया। भाई मेरे साथ तो ऐसी कितनी ज्यादा गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज हुई हैं जो शायद किसी और के पास जाने वाली थी और वो मेरे पास आ गई। जैसे कि जब सीक्रेट गेम्स में मैंने कुकू का किरदार किया, मुझे पता है कि कुछ 6 महीने तक लोग ऑडिशन कर रहे थे उसके लिए। दिस इज क्रिएटिविटी, इसका यही थ्रेशोल्ड है। मैंने एक्टिंग कर ली, इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी। नहीं यार, ये तो बस खोलते रहना चाहिए। आई डिडंट इवन नो आई वांटेड टू बी एन एक्टर. When I was leaving Dubai, I remember I was in the airport. It was the last time I was probably going to see my friends because I had packed everything. And my friends were dropping me to the airport. And I remember they said, Acha, acha, going to Mumbai, is it? Then go on, become a heroine, become an actor. And I was like, okay, we'll go become an actor. What's there?
When Prakash Jha is near, you cannot go wrong with Hindis. So my first question would be to you is, if Praveen Sheikh would have survived, कहाँ तक ले जाते इस प्रवीण शेख को हम show
Season
पे?
2 में ले जाते हैं।
How would have story unfolded?
I
कैसे
wouldn't
करते?
know. Prakash sir will have to tell you that because he's the. Actually, Reshu Nath will tell you this because she's the writer of the show. But I do understand that the beauty of Parveen Sheikh as a character in Sankalp is the fact that when she dies, the stakes of the show rise. Yeah. She's such an important character in the show that when she dies is when everyone gets affected.
Because I, as a viewer, I will say, as an audience, I will say that we were not waiting for this to come. I mean, we
Yeah.
were surprised. क्यों?
Yeah, nobody thought that they'll find me dead. Yes.
But
I knew I was gonna die.
but character like this, when you know that this gonna not survive the whole show, तभी भी हाँ बोलना. How much was important for this?
I think it's really important to be alive while you are in every aspect of your life as well. Like, I feel like surviving is not, you know, the be all end all of everything. And I feel most people are just okay surviving even life, right? Or, yeah, I'm existing. Yeah, it's okay, life is going on. I'm not that person. I like to make life full, meaningful, impactful for what it is. And I feel my life has such amazing things to offer that if I can't celebrate those little things, like for example, आज मैं अपने घर से निकली और यहाँ पहुँचते पहुँचते मुझे ट्रैफिक नहीं मिला. भाई साहब, that's a thing to celebrate. It's true. So when you realize that your happiness and your joy is not based on your expectations of things, vis-a-vis on how you perceive things, and you look at things for what they are, and you understand that, oh, through these challenges, I still need to live my best life, I think you're doing well. So whether that's your character, because I feel even as Parveen Sheikh, right? She was honest, she was vulnerable, she was strong. At the same time, there was a very different, it was not like, I am authority, so listen to me. You know, there's like a calm, composure. Like I remember वो जो scene है जहाँ पे परवीन शेख को वो CCTV कैमरा का footage दिखता है जहाँ पे लोग ATM चुरा रहे हैं. मुझे याद है प्रकाश सर ने मुझे ये बोला था कि जब मैंने वो डायलॉग बोला था कि भाई ये देखो ऐसे चुरा रहे हैं, उन्होंने कहा ये पहली बार नहीं देख रहे हो आप, ये होता रहता है. तो आपके लिए तो बहुत नॉर्मल है कि लोग चुरा रहे हैं, कुछ ये हो रहा है, सिस्टम टूट रहा है, सिस्टम जिस तरीके से चल रहा है इसको और बेहतर कर सकते हैं. या अगर कोई इतना स्मार्ट हो कि वो रेगुलर डे में ये करता जाएगा, तो हाउ डू यू नॉर्मलाइज एवरीथिंग टू जस्ट लुक एट इट कि इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. भाई ये नॉर्मल, या ये ना कोई एक्सेप्शनल चोर नहीं है, ये तो नॉर्मल चोर हैं जो रोज़ ये ऐसे काम करते हैं. उसको रेगुलर एक नॉर्मलसी के साथ देखना और रियलाइज़ करना कि माई जॉब इज़ टू एंश्योर कि ये ऐसा ना हो. नॉट कि अगर वो नहीं होगा तो मेरा लाइफ बदल जाएगा, राइट? सो आई थिंक दैट सेंस ऑफ जस्ट बीइंग जेंटल towards what life is, rather than I will only be happy if life is the way I expect it to be. I think things change a lot.
True यार, so lovely. But संकल्प की हम बात कर रहे थे. प्रकाश झा as a director, what all things he have unlocked from you as an actor during this show?
What I love about Baba's set, Prakash Jha sir's set, is the fact that there is no hierarchy.
अच्छा, you call him Baba.
I call him Baba
Okay.
because he's also Disha's Baba.
Oh, yeah.
And ये जो set था हमारे लिए, it was a family का माहौल. And it was not hierarchical. कि ये ऐसे हैं तो इनके सामने ऐसे बात करो, ये ऐसे हैं तो इनके सामने ऐसे बात करो, सब एक साथ. एंड जो माहौल एक लीडर क्रिएट करता है, जैसे प्रकाश सर हैं, ही इज़ बिन अराउंड फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स, एंड ये जो माहौल है उनका, ये एक नॉर्मल दिन है उनका, जहाँ पे लंच ब्रेक होता है तो वो खुद वैनिटी में जाते हैं और पूछते हैं कहाँ है कुबरा, लंच के लिए क्यों नहीं आई है, कहाँ है संजय सर, लंच पे क्यों नहीं आए, नाना जी कहाँ हैं, उन्होंने वो लंच के लिए क्यों नहीं आए. वो सब में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं, सब आते हैं, सब साथ में खाना खाते हैं, सब. जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट इंटरव्यू में भी कहा था कि जब हम संकल्प शूट कर रहे थे तब रमज़ान चल रहा था, और रमज़ान अभी ख़त्म हुआ तो ईद मुबारक. बट जब हम शूट कर रहे थे तब रमज़ान चल रहा था, और बाकायदा इफ्तारी के टाइम पे पूरा सेट हम लोग स्टॉप करते थे, और जितने भी लोग अपना रोज़ा रखे हैं, मैं भी रोज़ा रख रही थी तब, तो हम सब के लिए इफ्तारी लगती थी, और सब लोग शूट स्टॉप करके एक साथ, एक दूसरे के साथ, वो बरकत के साथ, वो कॉन्शियस डिसीजन के साथ, वो सच्चाई के साथ अपना रोज़ा खोलते थे. इट डिडंट मैटर इफ़ समवन वाज फास्टिंग और नॉट, बट इट बिकेम अ कम्युनिटी एक्सपीरियंस, इट बिकेम अ जॉय, इट बिकेम हैप्पीनेस. एंड आई थिंक दैट हैज़ बिन वन ऑफ माई बिगेस्ट लर्निंग्स, कि अगर आप कुछ अच्छा बनाना चाहते हो ना, तो उस दुनिया में आपको वो ओपननेस रखनी चाहिए, और आपको वो ओपननेस दिखती है, वो नज़र आती है. और yeah, I just had a great time. It was lovely. It was a family.
When Prakash Jha is near, you cannot go wrong with Hindis.
I told him कि sir, it is lot of Hindi. और जो डायलॉग्स भी लिखते थे, मैं उन्हीं के साथ बार बार पढ़ती थी, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि उन्होंने लिखे हैं डायलॉग्स, तो उनको पता है इसका सार क्या है. और ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे हिंदी आती नहीं है, मगर यार ये बहुत हिंदी है.
संघर्ष,
संघर्ष, संकल्प, संपन्न, संपूर्ण.
yes yes, and I like मैं तो सुनते ही रह जाऊंगी उनको ऐसे करके.
मगर उनके लिए वो थिंकिंग लैंग्वेज है.
yeah.
मेरे लिए मैं अंग्रेजी में सोचता हूँ, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द बिग वर्ड्स इन इंग्लिश.
Absolutely.
But I feel like that's what you do with any language. So I feel it's the creativity and the liberty that you take with something that you know as well, right? Prakash sir is a Hindi-speaking person. He's from the hinterland. He knows this language so well. Why would he want to write something simple, small, easy, ताकि अब मैं बना रहा हूँ शो, सबको समझ में आना चाहिए, तो मैं शो को डम डाउन कर दूंगा, मैं ऐसी लिखाई या ऐसी लैंग्वेज यूज़ करूँगा जो सबको एक्सेसिबल हो. नहीं, आई थिंक दिस शो चैलेंजेस पीपल हु वॉच दिस शो. इट चैलेंज्ड मी to learn, to converse, to think in a different language, and to not just think, but to think deeply in a different language. Because जो सार है, जो समरी आपको एक शब्द हिंदी की मिलेगी ना, उसके लिए आपको शायद 4 अंग्रेजी के शब्द यूज़ करने होंगे. पर हिंदी सच एन इवॉल्व्ड लैंग्वेज कि अगर आप एक इमोशन को एक वर्ड के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो, और अगर आप वो वर्ड समझ सकते हो, उसके मीनिंग को महसूस कर सकते हो, वो बहुत बड़ी सीख होती है. एंड फॉर मी दैट वाज वन ऑफ दैट.
So true. But you know, you said somewhere that Nana Patekar के साथ काम करना was a big experience for me, है ना? Please talk to me about one thing, that is he still the jolly one in this on this set, or he's the, you know, what गुस्से में रहते हैं.
नहीं यार, गुस्सा तभी आता है जब आपने किसी को कोई बात कही है, समझाई है, या अपना स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया है, और फिर इतने सालों के बाद, या इतने साल भी रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम अपने दिल की बात तभी कहते हैं जब आपको लगता है कि आगे वाला जो इंसान है वो आपकी बात को समझ रहा है या सुन रहा है, राइट? ये जो एंगर है, एंगर है, एंगर है, कोई भी इमोशन अच्छा या बुरा नहीं होता, इट्स अ रिलीज. सो आई डोंट थिंक एनी वन इनहेरेंटली इज एन एंग्री पर्सन. I think we don't have language and communication to resolve our anger, right? And I don't think that if you have high standards for yourself, then you're an angry person. That's just untrue, right? You're just trying to do the best for yourself and you're trying to do the best for your community. ताकि ये जो creative process है वो खुल के निकले, right? वो उभर के आए. That's the idea, right? I have only seen the most hardworking, the most dedicated, the most invested, the most curious performance and attitude and behavior of Nana sir on set. जब वो set पे आते थे, वो rap के पहले कभी अपने vanity van में नहीं जाते थे. वो बैठे रहते थे. अगर उनके पास time है, shot के बीच में बैठे, तो फिर वो अपने desk पे तबला बजाना शुरू कर देते थे, वो गाना शुरू कर देते थे, वो सबको साथ में बुला लेते थे. तो वो हमको कहानियाँ सुनाते थे चीज़ों के बारे में, उनके मोमेंट्स के बारे में, इंडस्ट्री के बारे में. तो ये सब बहुत, जब कोई इतना बड़ा एक्टर आपके सामने खुल जाता है ना, तो आपको रियलाइज़ होता है कि भाई हम लोग क्या सीक्रेट्स लेके घूम रहे हैं. जितना आप खुल सकते हो ना अपने एनवायरनमेंट में, especially as an actor, more importantly, if you can embrace who you are, I think that really helps in the process and in the creativity of being an actor. And I feel like I am so honored and blessed to work with people who know themselves. And that teaches you that you should not be unafraid or embarrassed, or you need to change yourself because someone else doesn't get you. That's okay. Do you get you? And when you do get you, trust me, you're not going to be the person who's going to avoid the places where you need to change, because you're not changing for yourself. You're not changing for the rest of the world. You're changing for yourself. And when you change for yourself, that is growth. So I am inspired by the way these people have continuously grown to become a full version of who they are, where they are unafraid. They're unapologetic to be who they are. And I think that's the honesty that people connect with. And that's what one must do. That authenticity. Not being afraid कि भाई इनको बुरा लगेगा तो I will dim my light down. उनको समझ नहीं आएगा तो I will dumb it down. I will be who I am and people will catch up if they want to.
So true, absolutely. You know, Kubra, coming back to your journey, your career, I saw that your journey has been very unpredictable in a very best way. Okay, and full of reinvention, right? Writing, directing, and then OTTs, movies. You love anchoring.
I'm doing stand-up comedy.
Yeah, comedy. I mean everything. But the current phase.
I'm an author.
Writer also. So I really want to ask you, what the current phase? How do you describe that? Are you happy with the things you're doing?
I am very happy with the things that I'm doing, because I finally feel that I have found my agency. I think I always had it, but you need the space in order to grow and blossom and groom yourself. And I finally find myself in that place where I'm confident with my authenticity, where I'm confident of the fact that if I do something well, for me, it will be impactful for the audience who loves me. But if I'm going to just hide or pretend or not be my authentic self, then I think it's just gonna be hard for me to like grow with my audience. When I look around, I see my audience is growing with me, right? I am growing along with my own experiences. So I feel keeping that space open and not putting a lid on it and not saying, oh, this is creativity, इसका यही threshold है. मैंने acting कर ली, इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. नहीं यार, वो तो बस खोलते रहना चाहिए. If you watch Shrek, Donkey says that Shrek, you are like an onion. You have so many layers. And I think we all have layers. And it's an incredible place in your life and an incredible space in your life when you get to do so many things beyond your imagination. You yourself said it, right? Like, my journey has been unpredictable in the best way possible. And that's the beauty of it, the unknown. You don't know what you're doing, which will result in something that you've not thought of. That's free fall. That's excitement. That's joy. And that is that calm assurance inside you, saying, even if I fall, I'll stand up, I'll get up, I'm strong, and I'll get back to it. A failure does not define your hard work. A failure only defines what you could do better when you get an opportunity the next time. Wow.
Wow, Kubra, wow.
Wow.
Funny?
No. Yeah, totally.
Yeah. So we were in the process जहाँ के आपकी journey काफ़ी unpredictable रही in a very best way, and you answered that in a very good way. And what a quote, man.
What a quote, man. I forgot the quote, man.
But it is there.
It is there. It is there.
Yeah. But in this phase, where everyone is chasing work, you know, chasing good work, good movies, everybody want to get there directly, ठीक है? आपके लाइफ में कभी ऐसा मोमेंट आया है, fear of missing out? I would have got this role, but I couldn't because of some reason.
I've never had the fear of missing out for anything in my life. Ever. No. I've actually never had the fear of missing out. Ever. Yeah, to think of it. Because no matter what I did, at that time I was doing what was meant to be. And if I was not okay with what I was doing in that moment, then I knew that I had the agency to go and do what I wanted to do. मुझे तो लगता है कि हर चीज़ मुझे जो मिल रही है और जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो अपनी टाइमलाइन के हिसाब से करेक्ट है. बिकॉज एक चीज़ होती है फ्री विल which you anyways exercise for your life. Like, for example, I want to do an interview with you. I will reach out to you and say, Jay, I want to do an interview with you. Right? But if you're busy, if this didn't work out, it doesn't reflect on me as a human being. I know I can move on with this and do other things. But I don't think I have, this whole word of fear, right, is something that just generally holds you back. I am someone who likes to just see what happens as time unveils itself and reveals itself. Because I didn't even know I wanted to be an actor when I came to Bombay, or Mumbai, as we call it, right? I didn't even know I wanted to be an actor. When I was leaving Dubai, I remember I was in the airport, and it was the last time I was probably going to see my friends because I had packed everything. I packed my entire house. It was all like loaded on ships and it was going to come back, right? And my friends were dropping me to the airport, and I remember they said, Acha, you know Mumbai, is it? Then go on, become a heroine, become an actor. And I was like, okay, we'll go become an actor. What's there?
And see?
And see?
See?
Just say yes. Say tathastu. Just say yes. Just go ahead.
Yeah.
Figure it out. Break your head. Break some walls. Break the glass ceiling. Just keep yourself in the action mode. Instead of being in the mode of अगर मेरे साथ ये होता तो वो होता, अगर मेरे साथ वो होता तो वो होता. भाई, ये पॉसिबिलिटीज की दुनिया में अगर आप जियोगे तो आप रियलिटी में कब जियोगे?
But how to keep yourself calm then? Because noise is so loud around.
That is really up to you. Again, that is discipline. I really feel. I know when I came to Mumbai, I was a very different person. Because at that point, I wanted things to be done now, next. Even then, I didn't think I had the fear of missing out. At that time, I probably had more energy. And I used that energy to just be everywhere. That's what exhausted me. Today, I choose to be where I want to be. And if I'm not somewhere, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine for now. And then what do you take with that and do with it for the rest of your life is up to you. Because, ठीक है, कहीं नहीं पहुँचे, किसी के पास नहीं गए, कुछ आने वाला था आपके पास, वो नहीं आया, आने वाला था, आते आते निकल गया. भाई, मेरे साथ तो ऐसी कितनी ज़्यादा गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हुई हैं जो शायद किसी और के पास जाने वाली थी और वो मेरे पास आ गई. जैसे कि जब सीक्रेट गेम्स में मैंने कुकू का किरदार किया, मुझे पता है कि कुछ 6 महीने तक लोग ऑडिशन कर रहे थे उसके लिए, या 1 साल के लिए ऑडिशन कर रहे थे, फिर उसके बाद मुझे ये रोल मिलता है। जब मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा होता है तब मैं नहीं पूछती, जब मेरे साथ बुरा होता है तब मैं उसको क्वेश्चन करने लगती हूँ, यार मेरे साथ ये क्यों हुआ यार, ये तो फियर था यार, ये तो मिस आउट हो गया यार, क्यों। जब मैं प्रकाश सर के पास गई थी संकल्प के लिए, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया था क्योंकि ये एक स्पेशल अपीयरेंस रोल था। जब वो मिले तभी उन्होंने मेरे लिए 7 एपिसोड लिखे, उस कैरेक्टर को बढ़ाया, उस कैरेक्टर को आगे लेके गए। अब मैंने तो क्वेश्चन ही किया ना, क्यों। तो जब अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं हमारे साथ, हम उसको क्वेश्चन नहीं करते, मगर जो हमारे सोच के दायरे के बाहर कुछ होता है ना, तो हम उसे क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं। इज दिस बिकॉज ऑफ मी, इज दिस बिकॉज ऑफ देम, इज दिस बिकॉज ऑफ द सिचुएशन। इतने सारे सवाल क्यों। जब हम खुशी को एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं तो हम डिसअपॉइंटमेंट को एक्सेप्ट करके आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ सकते। आई एम दैट पर्सन। आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स इजी एवरी टाइम, बट माई पॉइंट इज इफ यू हैव दिस यू विल हैव दैट। Then you can't choose that, oh, I only want happiness in my life. That is how you make it.
True, because I've heard actors have been always greedy about their works. Like, मुझे क्यों नहीं लिया इस रोल में यार, मैं
Really? ये कौन actors हैं?
There's
Because
many. There are many that.
Really?
Yeah, because मैं हो सकती थी उस रोल में, मैं हो सकती थी इस रोल में.
of course हो सकते थे, but वो नहीं हुआ।
Yeah.
तो आगे बढ़ो, कुछ और कर लो। That does not define you. जो छूट गया आपसे, that does not define you. जो आपके हाथ में है और अगर आप उस पे अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे हो, तो क्या फ़ायदा किसी और के ऊपर उंगली उठा के बताने का। You remember that thing, right? जब हम छोटे होते थे, this is something that has been taught to us from the time we were kids, right? If you point a finger, there are 3 fingers pointing back at you, right? And it's very easy, Ajaya. It's very easy to say कि उनकी वजह से मुझे ये नहीं मिला, उसकी वजह से ये मिला, ये that is all pointing and making. I don't think there is any actor who hasn't finished an audition and felt like, I went for an audition last night and I just felt I gave my best for the audition. Leave it at that. I had that opportunity and I did really well in that opportunity. Now, if I'm going to say my effort needs to be complemented with result, which is in my head, then who is setting myself up for disaster and failure? Me. Because my outcome is not in the hand, not in my hand. Whether the audience is going to watch a show, it's not in my control. Whether my part is going to be retained or edited out of the show, it's not in my hand. Whether the audience is going to accept my performance for what it is, not in my hand. What's in my hand is what I know about the craft. Yeah. And it's okay if I didn't do entirely well. It's okay. That was an opportunity. I will still learn and grow from that opportunity. But if I don't use every opportunity to learn and grow, and if I think, oh, I've arrived, I have nothing to learn, I'm amazing, which I am. But if that is going to be my sole attitude, then I think growth becomes a little difficult. And I genuinely feel that I'm not a big person or a big champion of comparison. Because if I do want to compare myself, I would rather compare myself to my yesterday than compare myself to someone else. Whose yesterday, whose past, whose tomorrow, whose future is very different from mine. I can do the best of what's given to me. Like, this has been my, I know this is a long answer, but like really, I believe this, right? That you can't take cauliflower, beans, carrots and say, I'm going to make mutton biryani. You will make vegetable pulao if you have these things, right? So you go get what you require and then make what you want to make out of it. Until then, you're only preparing. So prepare well so that when you get the opportunity, you can execute well.
राइट एब्सोल्युटली बट इन दिस काइंड ऑफ फर्टिनिटी जहाँ पे ना प्रेशर भी होता है बहुत चीज़ों का आई एम श्योर आपके साथ भी होता होगा बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर यू हैव टू लुक इन अ सर्टेन वे यू हैव टू व्हेन यू आर गोइंग आउट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि मैं अच्छे से दिखूँ रेड कार्पेट यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ डू यू टेक एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर यू एन्जॉय
I enjoy. I enjoy. You know, it's a big privilege to do what I'm doing today. And I don't take this lightly. If I speak with a certain level of abandonment, freedom, and confidence, it's because I would not do anything else in my life than what I'm doing right now. I'm in a space where I get to create. I'm in a space where I get to love, I get to live, I get to experience, I get to be so many different people. And I love that about my life. I wouldn't want to change that. But if that's what my choice is, then there are other things like unpredictability, not knowing what's going to happen, not knowing if I'm going to get the part. And that's all a part of it. And the not knowing is just the given. So if you're not willing to, go with that flow, if you're not willing to make peace with the unknown, then you should be doing something else. But if you're doing this by choice and then complaining about it every day,
it's gonna go one day then if you're complaining every day.
More than that, I think you won't be at peace. You may still continue to do what you're doing. Like I could have continued to be at Microsoft. The question is, I wouldn't be happy. Would I be happy? No, probably would not. Be entirely happy. Today, I get to do this and I love to do this. After that also, if I'm not happy, then whose problem it is? I think then it's my problem. And I don't want to be unhappy. I don't want to put the blame on other people. And I truly believe that under this society, I think it also kind of like relates and allows us to kind of like deep delve into the fact that this is the reason why mental health is so important. This is the reason why we need to have conversations with people who will listen to us without judgment, so that we start hearing our own inner voice without judgment. People can expect everything from me. They'll expect me to walk on my head every time. Do I know how to walk on my head? No. So I'll say no. But then if I say, oh my God, people asked me to walk on my head and I didn't walk on my head and I'm not good enough. I need to know what I'm doing in life.
Yeah, that's important.
And I need to find that security within myself. And at the same time, I should be willing to be a sponge, to learn. If I'm a rock who will not allow, even a rock is porous. I go rafting the Brahmaputra, right, and I see these mountains that are on either sides of the river. And I know that once upon a time, those mountains were covered in water. The water has receded, the water has cut through these rocks, making them magnificent mountains that stand beside us. That beauty that you see, and that beauty that transports you into a different place in your head, is because those mountains, those rocks stood the test of time. If you're going to be like, oh, मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं निकल जाएगा, मैं डर गया, मैं रो दिया, रो लो, निकाल लो, डर जाओ, सब निकाल दो अपने सिस्टम से, खुली किताब की तरह आओ, क्योंकि आप कुछ नया बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. जब भी आप कोई भी, like if you're acting, if you're performing, if you're doing anything, you're getting to do this for the first time in your life. Treat it like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think that becomes a big lesson for you, because you will discover things about you that you didn't know before. So allow yourself to experience the beauty of life, na yaar, instead of saying, I will function with what I know.
True. But Kubra, one side, you're writing, one side you're doing reality shows, one side
Yeah, I'm doing reality shows. I do reality shows.
Yeah, rise and fall. I mean, Kubra har jagah hai na? Why? What?
Because it's a medium. Imagine through this I get to experience so many different realities.
But don't you have that fear? Because these days I've heard a lot that कि reality shows नहीं कर सकते, मेरे career graph में affect कर जाएगा, मैं ये show नहीं कर सकती. Don't you have that fear?
No. In fact, I went to the reality show to understand what do I know about myself. I learnt a whole damn lot. And I'm very happy about myself. I also learned that the world that you see, right? The world that you see and experience and the part of the world that you are, right? Is that reality show. And it is that mixed basket, and it is that volatility, and it is that confusion, and it is that desperate need to be right. I'd rather be kind. I'd rather be real. I'd rather be true. And it's okay. I will make that decision for me. And I'm okay with that.
So true. Before going, really want to ask you about Fuzzy 2. My question would be to you is, Fuzzy 2 से पहले आपने Fuzzy क्या उस बीच में Fuzzy से लेके Fuzzy 2 के बीच में जो क्राफ्ट है अपने अंदर का कितना चेंज देखा आपने?
Like, I'm so glad and I'm so grateful that I've had teachers who've come along my way. I've had mentors on ground, like my incredible co-actors, Mohammad Zishan Ayub, Nana Patekar. I've worked with Kajol. I've worked with Umesh Bhatt. I've worked with Prakash Jha. These are incredible human beings. I've worked with Anurag Kashyap. These are loving people. These are kind people. And I work with them. And wow, man, it's been a great journey of just learning and growing and being, right? I wouldn't want to change anything.
Is
right
Kubra
now.
set arrived? Can we say this?
I think I have, but in my own way.
Okay.
When you say arrived, and I think this is such a great question. Yeah. Why should you be afraid to say you arrived? Exactly. It's not a thing about ego. It's not, and I don't mean arrived in my career. I think I've arrived at a place of calm, and I've arrived at a place of conviction, and a solid place where I can be peaceful with myself, with the choices that I make. And that is what truly arriving in life is. काम होता रहेगा यार. All of that is external. But the real question is, do you embrace yourself knowing that you are someone who is perhaps broken, who's perhaps fixing, who's perhaps still learning and growing, and you can still have arrived? Because you're at a place where you are learning to develop other skills. You're never arrived, like in the sense that, oh, I have nothing to learn anymore. But can I make peace with who I am right now? Yes, I can. Does that mean I've arrived? Hell yeah, I have. Yeah. I'm not going to let someone else dictate my vision or my growth and be like, you made this happen, you believed in me, and that's why this happened. I also believed in me, and I truly think that's really important. That is self-confidence. That's not arrogance. You know, you need to know that you are making the best of every situation that's coming your way. And that is the only thing you need to honor. At the end of the day, you need to honor yourself. You need to be kind to yourself. And it doesn't matter if the journey is right or wrong. Have you been kind to yourself? And if you're being, and if honestly, if I'm being kind to myself, I know I can only then be kind to other people. If I'm being an ass to myself, if I'm being like a complete judge on every activity of mine, like I've seen so many people, right? Like, and I tell them, like, when you eat, eat with joy. When you eat, eat with abandon. Don't be like, wow, अभी खाऊंगी, कल जिम जाना पड़ेगा 2 घंटे. नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. वो 1 घंटा जाओ जिम, मगर खुशी से खाओ. Don't make this a sad experience and then overcome the sad experience with a harder experience. Just enjoy this moment and figure what you got to do tomorrow. You know, don't disconnect yourselves from the simple pleasures of life because you've got another story running in your head. I think we tell ourselves a lot of stories. And we choose to believe the stories we tell ourselves, right? Can you tell yourself better stories? You can. So tell yourself better stories. Tell yourself you did well today. Tell yourself that I did the best I could today. Given everything that I had, I didn't have mutton. I made veg pulao. It's the best veg pulao. See it and live life like that, bro.
Yeah, absolutely. You've come a long way,
Thank you.
Copra. Thank you so much for talking
I
to
appreciate
me.
you. Thank you.
You know, it was such a lovely conversation, a good energy, you know, loved it. I wish you only best of luck in your future and your upcoming project.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank you so much. Jaya.
Thank you.